what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna download one new image, okay, from internet itself. Okay, now the image name is that something like mm, let's say that name. Now this I can download this image docker pull Jupyter clock. Okay, let me do this. This is image is available in Docker Hub, Jupyter Joe clock. What it will do, it is one just it printing a USD time. That's it. Nothing will do. This image, okay. Let me Docker images. You can see there is an image for the this a clock image I downloaded. Now how to run this clock image? Just simply Docker run -it -hyphen name my clock, the container name, your own name you want, and that image. That's it. It will be running that application is printing the time. The current UTC time is that September 15, like yes, 4:40 now in US. Even if you want, you can see this. That is the application code they've written actually. The 4:41, no 4:41, right? That's the current time for UTC. Like because inside it's one guy, Jupyter Joe is the one guy. It is downloaded one clock application. Okay, that is okay. Like you can check for here in Docker Hub. It's a public image. Now that is printing the data current time. Jupyter Joe clock. See, is it clear now? Clear guys. Okay, this guy, one guy is implemented. Similarly, even I can see my images also in Docker Hub. Now, if you can see, this is one of my famous image we are using. Even I have also like stars no, but 10K downloads are there. Okay, 10K downloads for my image also. It's being pushed for 4 years ago. Okay, I can see. And if you can go for my profile, there's a lot of images for this. Okay, the community user. Now you can see here. There's a lot of images I have. This is 10 months ago, 6 months ago, 3 months ago. Okay, like a start images. There's no there's no start images of my account. No, people are can be downloaded these images also. Like greeting is one of the Java my application. No, there is lot of 7 pages of images I have. Okay. Now around like a 6 years for above images also there here. Right. Now that I can log in this account once Docker Hub we can log in. I can show you that how do you log in, how to push your images also. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now we'll write our own code, our own images. Okay. Fine. Now what we do now? Let's see. We ran one image and we press Control C. It stopped, right? If you see Docker PS command, it will see that is stopped state. The clock command is stopped. If you press Control C running process, then it will come to the stopped state. It is a process running on. You interrupt that process. It come to the existing state. It's come to the existing state. Now this existing state, what we do now? You can see Docker, Docker. Okay, logs. Like in case real time scenario, what happened, right? Now sometimes the container go to stop state. Not to check why it is stopped state, why it went to the stop state. The history of that container you can check. How do we check? Using a Docker logs command. Docker logs and then stopped container. Now you can see it will be stopped here. You can naturally something it is printing some error and all, but basically I terminate here. But yeah, in real scenarios also, if that your application is printing some data, that data will be shown here. Is it clear? No, Docker logs command, right? Okay. Now, for example, I'm gonna run again. Let's see. If you run the same container, because the name is already there, even stopped container also, if you use the same name, you can't able to do. Either you can remove that old container and then start again, or else rename that container name. Clock one. Okay. Now it is running. Instead of controlling Control C, I'm gonna press Control PQ. It won't stop. It will come out from the state. that ps that container is running on here, class container is running on right. Now check the docker logs and container id. It will print the till that logs. Okay, in real time scenario I don't want to like exist state container for logs, right? I want to troubleshoot a live data. For example, I did a transaction. Okay, now you are facing that failure of your transactions. Okay, that is what incident created. Now the failure of transaction is getting, and I want to track that each and every stage means you should have the live logs. Okay, live logs I want to see that. I don't want to previous logs. You can use the -f command. Now what it will do, it will print the all the previous logs and then current logs also, both will do. But previous logs means if your container is running on the last 30 days, what happened? Last 30 days data will print first, then it will be continuing for the later your data, new data. I don't want that, right? I want to only latest only. I can do in that case -f tail one, means last one line from I want to print, then start immediately. This is the last one line, the latest line. Then 1646. Okay, 45 year ending, right? It's 46. And from there it will be like something you want. Okay, last one line will be print under the logs and it will follow the continuously from there. Now this way we can troubleshoot what's going on in your application, something went wrong. Does it make sense? Guys? Clear, no? This is very important command for in real time scenario. I used a lot in real time scenario. This command. You want to check the only logs, just other logs and then container ID. Want to check the old logs and all everything, then instead of F1 tail and then you can use this command.